every people should be valued by their work and effort, not by their physical disabilities. December 3 is the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. On this day, WHO joins partners to celebrate a day for all. This theme reflects a growing understanding that disability is the part of human condition. Almost every people will be temporarily or permanently impaired at some point in life.
Importance of World Disability Day. Why is it important to help the disabled people? When you work in disability services, you have a profound impact on someone's life. You're providing care and support to someone who needs it the most and helping them to become more independent and confident in their own abilities. So every day is a chance to do something different and make a difference. Why is it important to raise awareness about disability? Raising awareness of different types of disability and how they impact lives is important for several reasons. Disability awareness campaigns highlight how daily life is like for somebody with a disability. Good education and awareness are key to making our society more accessible for all. Stephen Hawking's advice to other disabled people would be: concentrate on things your disability doesn't prevent you doing well, and don't regret the things it interferes with. Don't be disabled in spirit as well as physically.
A disability is often used to refer to individual functioning including physical impairment, sensory impairment, cognitive impairment, intellectual impairment, mental illness and various types of chronic diseases. A disability can be present from birth or occur during a person's lifetime. Here are 6 examples of famous people, past and present, who also happen to be disabled. Robin Williams. Before his untimely death, the actor and comedian had been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. Williams also had ADHD as a child and was diagnosed with bipolar as an adult. Sudha Chandran is an extremely talented Indian dancer and actress who, following an accident, had her right leg amputated and continued to gain a highly successful career in her industry. Stephen Hawking. The brilliant mind of physicist Stephen Hawking helped propel him to mass fame. Hawking, who famously wrote the book A Brief History of Time, lived with motor neuron disease. Freyja Haraldsdóttir. As a politician and disability rights activist, Haraldsdóttir is famous in Iceland. She also lives with osteogenesis imperfecta, also known as brittle bones. Shaquem Griffin. In 2018, Griffin became the first ever one-handed player to be selected to play in the National Football League (NFL) in the United States. Griffin was born with constriction ring syndrome, which affected his hand and led to its amputation. Arunima Sinha. She lost her leg when she was pushed out of a moving train by some robbers. Having her life take an unpredictable turn, she became the first woman amputee to climb the Mount Everest.
International Day of Persons with Disability is an international observance promoted by United Nations since 1992. The observance of the day aims to promote our understanding of disability issues and mobilize support for dignity, right and well-being of persons with disability. It all started in 1976 as the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 1981 as the International Year of Disabled Person. It called for a plan of action at the national, regional and international level with an emphasis on equalization of opportunities, rehabilitation and prevention of disabilities. The theme for International Year of Disabled Person was full participation and equality. And each year there is different theme for Disability Day. So, what is the theme for International Day of Disabled Person 2021? The theme for this year is not all disabilities are visible. Some disabilities like mental health disorder, chronic pain, etc. are invisible. But that does not make them any less devastating to someone's quality of life. This year, include invisible disability in your inclusion initiative to recognize World Disability Day.
Hi everyone, rivers do not drink their own water, trees do not eat their own fruit, the sun does not shine on itself and flowers do not spread their fragrance for themselves. Living for others is a rule of nature. We are all born to help each other, no matter how difficult it is. Life is good when you are happy, but much better when others are happy because of you. This is not my words. It is by the great Perf Rajas. I am Haripriya, a student Bharatya Vidya Bhavans. Today is my day as I am a differently abled person by birth, a purely muted girl. but it is my hard word that I am talking to you like this way. Namaste.
World Disability Day is celebrated on 3rd December. This day is celebrated to encourage the right and equality towards the disabled people.
Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive when you are positive. Good things happen. Thank you.
Believe you can and you will.